Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's close to many of us, hair care. Specifically, the potential risks linked to hair dyes and chemical straighteners. You might want to pay attention if you're part of the nearly 80% of people globally using these products. So, let's get into it. First off, did you know there are three main types of hair dyes? We've got temporary, semi-permanent, and the most common, permanent dyes. Permanent dyes are popular, but they use the most reactive chemicals, which can be problematic. Now here's where it gets concerning. Many hair products contain hormone-disrupting chemicals, also known as EDCs. We're talking about stuff like formaldehyde, parabens, resorcinol, and p-phenylenediamine. A staggering 84% of hair products marketed to black women contain these EDCs. Yikes! Let's talk about the science. The NIH sister study from October 2022 found that women who use hair relaxers more than 4 times a year have a 2.5 times higher risk of uterine cancer. And there's more. A 2019 NIH study showed a slight increase in breast cancer risk for women using permanent hair dyes or chemical straighteners, especially among black women. Why? Possibly due to stronger formulations. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, or IARC, classifies workplace exposure to hair dye chemicals as probably carcinogenic to humans. This means hairdressers and salon workers are at a higher risk of bladder cancer. Frequent use of these products has also been linked to higher risks of uterine, breast, and ovarian cancers. One study even found a 45% higher breast cancer risk among black women using permanent hair dye compared to white women. That's scary stuff. And as of April 2025, over 12,000 lawsuits have been filed against major manufacturers like L'Oreal, Namaste, TCB Naturals, Strength of Nature, and Revlon. These lawsuits allege links between hair relaxers, straighteners, and uterine, endometrial, ovarian cancers, uterine fibroids, and hysterectomies. Bellwether trials are expected in 2027, so what can you do to stay safe? Here are some tips. Read labels and avoid harmful chemicals. Use protection like gloves and masks. Always do a patch test for allergies. Rinse your scalp thoroughly, and minimize the use and frequency of these products. Also, avoid using them on your eyebrows, eyelashes, or a damaged scalp. Consider natural or organic alternatives and maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and exercise. Lastly, let's talk about regulation and advocacy. The FDA regulates color additives, but coal tar dyes, which are common in hair dyes, are exempt. The Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act of 2022 aims to improve safety, but there are still gaps. Organizations like the EWG advocate for stronger regulations and provide resources like the Skin Deep database and Healthy Living app to help you find safer products. So what's the takeaway? Do your research, make informed choices, and support stricter regulations. If you have any concerns, consult with a healthcare professional. And if you've been affected by harmful hair products, you can contact 800-553-8082 for legal consultation. Stay safe and take care of your hair and health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.